Destiny Ridge. Good morning, viewers. How you going? Well, mate, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you would know that when I first got this, when it was nearly brand new, this leaked. And the reason why it leaked is because of an O-ring up in there. Well, coming out this morning, and she's leaking. And you know what? I think it's the same bloody O-ring. Aussie buckets. What the fuck's wrong with your equipment? Anyway. Oh my God. Really? What, every 3 hours of use I've got to change the O-ring? Don't, yeah. It's not good. Alrighty, talk to you soon. Sonny will be going soon, as soon as I fix this. Alright, stop being a little kid and off you go. I'm going to check this bloody O-ring. That wasn't very tight. I don't think the bloody machining was done correctly or something. I don't know. I don't know what's causing it, but I'm just about over this, to the point where you would say don't buy anything from these blokes. How much bloody hydraulic fluid am I going to lose? Yeah, the O-ring's shit again. That's bloody heaps. Well, I'm gonna get that bloody changed pretty quick. Yep, look. O-ring's broken again. Stupid fucking thing. Oh dear. Lucky I bought a whole kit, so I got 10 or so. Fucking hell. Is that it? That's the one. Is that it? Yep. That's him. Make sure she's clean. I don't think they machined it properly, you know. I think it's got an edge in there that shouldn't be there, but I'm no fucking engineer. Well, I'm an engineer, but I'm not a mechanical engineer. I'm not a machinist, but let's see how long this one lasts, yeah? Dirty, rotten, fucking mongrel bastards. Now let's see if it bloody leaks, eh? I'll put the key. On the seat. On the seat. Oh. Very slow leak. Well, Sonny, we'll get going in a minute, but you can definitely blame fucking Aussie buckets for their shit fucking equipment. Look, that's number 2. The one they sent me did exactly the same thing. What's going on, Aussie buckets? Not happy. Anyway, look, it's got a very slow leak. I'm gonna have to try a different O-ring. So I'll take it back out. Look at all the hydraulic fluid. So I'll take it back out and I'll try a thicker one. All right, see you soon. Well, let's get this thing fueled up. I hope I don't fall off the truck. Oh dear. So, come out, Huntsman. I know you're on here somewhere. I saw you yesterday when I was fueling up. You're not a huge huntsman, but you're still a huntsman. And if those don't know what a huntsman is, have a look on the internet. Just type in huntsman spider and see what they say. Oh, all right. That's that. I gotta tell you, I'm glad I don't do this with 20 litre drums. But I think you guys call them 5-gallon drums. So I got 400 litres yesterday, diesel, and I gotta tell you, price of diesel's going through the roof. It's not a fun time, I can tell you. The old wallet took a bit of a kick, but it is what it is. Well, looks like I need to tighten this track a bit. I think I said that the last time I drove this thing. So yeah, so there's the thing, and I connected to my ute down there on the power. Hope you can see it. If not, there's a 12-volt plug. Powers this thing up. Probably should have my truck running, tell you the truth. Although I think I'm only going to be pumping about 100 litres, if that. It was sitting on about 3/4. And if it was, then it's only 50 litres that I'm pumping in. Very economical machine. Sandy's done a great job. So Sandy, if you want to give me a new machine for advertising to 250 people, I'm up for that. Yeah, thumbs up. I think you make a good machine. I think you make a great machine. I think DWL Machinery in Western Sydney, they didn't do you any favours by putting perspex in the window and all of that, you know. So, and look at Sonny. Sonny's patiently waiting. Well, I wouldn't say patiently. He's been pacing behind me and following me everywhere, thinking he's going to get left behind. He's not getting left behind. I've got some water and all that for him for today, so we'll see what happens there. But I did have that hydraulic leak, and I got to tell you, Aussie buckets. I've used that thing maybe 40 times or 50 times, that ram, and that thing has blown 2 seals. The original one was chewed up and the second one was chewed up. So I don't know what's going on there, Aussie buckets, but you need to have a look at your equipment. For $6,500 for a thumb, yeah, bit of a waste of money if you can only get 30 tries out of it before that O-ring goes, which blows your whole day. It's costing me more money than what I spent on it. Anyway, I'll carry a pack of O-rings with me so I can keep repairing it. I did check the seat, it was nice and clean, but I think I'm going to have to do more work on it. Something's chewing up that O-ring. So I'll put a thicker one in, we'll see how that goes. The one I put in there after the original one blew was the same size as the original. That's full. It's so full, it's to the top of the inlet. Wow. So maybe 80 litres. Don't know. Don't know. It is what it is. Disconnect. There we go. Put that in there. Shut that up. Woo, dog. Rightio. Then I'll go and get the grease gun. We'll grease this little baby. Oh, I've got to tell you, there's a lovely breeze happening. So, when I went to get this off, it wouldn't go to open. We don't want that. So I don't know if you can see that tree moving, but it's a lovely little breeze. All right, back in a minute once I get the grease gun. So I don't know how much you're going to be able to see, but here's where the adjuster is. Oh, there you are, little fella. So on there, you can see definitely got some grease. I think that's enough. I don't want it too tight, start to wear the tracks up, the new chains I put on. So, yeah, that flexes enough now. That's good. Oh, so I'll need to put some more in there, I reckon. Haven't done that for a little while. Yeah, that's what I like. Yeah. Amount of dirt and dust in this stuff doesn't take a minute, eh? Before it's full again. There she's coming out. If I can make a suggestion, Sonny, don't put the grease nipples on top. Well, maybe off to the side here or something, because they get full of dirt. That's got heaps coming out. Look. See it all running out the side. So, it's coming out. Oh, that's coming out heaps. That's good. That's excellent. Excellent, Smithers. Excellent. So, oh, yeah. Some machine is going somewhere. I can hear it down the bottom of my paddock. Could be the electrical company. Plenty of that. Where are you up here? I know you're on this side. Oh, no, you're on the other side. There's one up here. There we go. Sounds like it's coming out. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's gonna need a dig out. Need a little screwdriver for that one. Uh-oh. That's not a good one. Oh, is that a bent one? Is that bent? It's a broken one. I know that. That needs repairing. Oh, that's the oil that came off of that. Well, that's not good. That came out of there, that's good. Ew. Get off my rag. Sheesh. Well, looks like I got to repair that. But that's been like that the whole time, so I must have missed that every time. It's got grease coming out there, but I don't know if it's going into that yoke there. I'm pretty sure it's not. Anyway, so I got to tip it up. I need to get some into the bottom there, into that part. That's got a bit of a, that's a bit loose. But when you're buying second-hand equipment, more than likely that joint there, is that, maybe that's for that. I think it is. All right. Can you see? I hope so. If not, you can hear. Well, we're out of grease. Literally. I gotta get some more next time I go to Mum's place. And for me and the machine, we thank you. Oh. Alright, I'm going to put this away, and then we're going to check the oil and water and hydraulic fluid now that we've had this leak. And yeah, I got to tell you, grease gets everywhere. Love it. You gotta love grease. So, well, we're out of grease here. That's one thing. And I'm going to check the oil and water. I should be able to use the same rag, just turn it inside out so that the grease is on the inside. What do you guys think? Would you do that? I know I am. So, to get up there, it's a little hard sometimes. Oh. Yeah. Look at all the sticks in here. Damn. Don't need one of them. Don't need one of them. Chew me hoses. Dang it. Sonny thinks I'm throwing sticks for him. Well, I'm not. But he can get them if he wants. Come here, you. Oh. There we go. Yeah. So we're full of fuel. We got a few sticks up here, but I'll get to them in a minute. Oh. Oh. There's the powerhouse 4-cylinder diesel, Isuzu diesel, and that's why somebody wrote Isuzu on the back. I don't know why they'd do that. Why wouldn't they just put Sani? Anyway, stay there, Mr. Camera. What do you got? Gotta wipe it. I don't know why he's getting up. He can't get up here. That's why he's upset. What do we got? We're down a little bit. About a litre. If that. That's the first bit of oil this thing's ever used. Is that hot? No. Got a bit of pressure in it, but wasn't hot. There we go. I've got to get a little bit of oil for that. So, I'll go and get that and I'll be back. Alright, got the oil. Let's pump some in. And then we're ready to go to work. It's got a nice breeze happening today, I'm happy with that. Don't want that falling down, do we? No, no we do not. So put that in there. All right, now we'll let that settle for a second before I check it. It's coming up. It's coming up. Get in the hole. Yeah, she's 3/4 of the way now. And I do need to find out what the oil filter number is on this thing. Might put a couple more pumps in. All right. Yeah. Put that lid back on. Yep, like see, I don't know if you can see, but it's getting closer to that little dot. I'd say that's close enough. It'll run down yet. Don't forget that. Oh. That's the engine taken care of. And all the times I've checked it, it's the first time it's been down any. Oh, it's been half, but I've done a few roads since then, so oh, I hate these little clamps. Oh. When you're fat like me, it's hard to get them on. There we go. Good job, Piffy. Good job. So, a bit concerned. That was down a bit. Anyway, see you soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.